Moving along here, Brendan, the Supreme Court is taking up West Virginia and an Idaho law banning trans athletes from competing in women's sports. So what could the case mean for laws around the country?
Well, this could have sweeping ramifications. There's 27 different states that have some form of a ban on trans athletes participating in women's sports. The Supreme Court, if it rules a certain way, could throw all of those out the window. Now, it doesn't appear that that's going to happen. It appeared in court today that the conservative majority is going to be on the side of keeping these bans in place. A ruling could also have an impact on other areas of law for the LGBTQ community. We're expecting a ruling from the court at the end of June.